Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is I Spy a Stang. I'm a pioneer. And we're rolling by. Oh my word. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it through the window. Oh, dude. Oh, that is nice. Haha. She is a Cobra. Oh yeah. GT 500 Shelby, my Stang. Wow. I don't know what year. I don't know whether it's brand new. But I caught it when I was rolling out earlier. Wow. There she is too. Wow. Coming on a day. Take a look at that. To jump on the web and see what they're asking for it. What year it is. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. I'm going to go around back and get a tail look. Alright. I'm going to get a back view of it. Yep. Wow. Nice. Can't really get through looking at it, but there's a tail view of it. Very nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Catch me on the next Project Stang, or I Spy a Stang. Say that again. Say that again.
It's a 2017 Ford Mustang GT 350 with only 2,600 miles on it.
I bet.
It's ruby red metallic.
Yeah.
It's a 5.2 V8 engine. The price is $55,995.
Yeah.
It is on the website.
Okay.
It is.
Pioneer.
Got the exclusive Shelby package.
Yep. I saw that.
Ebony retro seats.
Right.
Touchscreen navigation. 19-inch black wheels. Remote brake calipers. Shaker system. HIG projector headlamps.
Yeah.
Signature lamps. Quad tip exhaust.
Yep, the two. Ah.
It's tripped out.
Yeah, it's stripped out already. That is beautiful.
Financing available.
Huh. That's $400 a month, $500 a month.